We're here at Mackey's having a look at the progress of the Healthy Heifer project. The Healthy Heifer project took all our proven technology for monitoring calves and evolved it by introducing new modules that allow us to look at fertility and health of older animals, being a great companion for rearing heifer calves.
The Healthy Heifer project was going to look at the calf rearing operation, to look at ways of improving our scour and pneumonia. We have 350 cows on the farm. We're a fully automated robotic system.
Usually about 20 and 30 calves a month.
Our free app allows you to start introducing information about medical treatments, weight progressions, and you can see everything that's happening with your calf rearing. You can additionally subscribe to one of our monitoring systems where we provide you with an ear tag for each individual animal. At 6 in the morning, you receive a list of animals that require your attention today, prioritizing the work that's required for the day.
I was a little bit cynical when we started. I wasn't sure that these tags were really going to do what they said they would do. As more and more of the data came in, I could see that there was something to learn from this. When it was flagging up calves, I think there's nothing wrong with the calf, but if I actually caught the calf and took its temperature, I could see this calf had a raised temperature, which was enabling us to identify there was something wrong within the shed.
It's picking up the health of the calf sooner than what we can see.
So we quickly changed our tune, and we're constantly looking at the app in the morning to see what the problems were.
The impact of getting early life wrong can be massive. It can be up to 10% of the milk yield of the cow and 108 days less in milk. It has been essential for us to make sure that we develop the product on real farms and getting the feedback from the person that's actually working with the animals to make sure that it fits within the day-to-day operations.
So we've been testing these devices and helping in their development on a number of our satellite farms, including this one here in Somerset, Godminster Farm.
We're a mixed herd of 300 cows, organic, 40% into the liquid market and 60% into the cheese market. Organically, we don't like to use too many antibiotics, if any at all, so it's vital for us to be able to use early intervention. I think the vets were pretty impressed with what they were seeing in terms of the results.
We work closely with our vets, and our antibiotic usage has gone down.
And certainly being able to look at graphs and see the growth rates against animals that have been checked and unchecked will enable them to help advise us.
We're finding that if we can treat these calves sooner, before they actually become clinically sick, they turn around much quicker and drink their milk and go on and be much healthier.
But if it's severely sick, you'll have to give it maybe 2-3 jabs before it gets better.
Some of these calves that have had checks with pneumonia or scour go on to be a problem. They don't produce enough milk, and we have an awful job sometimes getting them back in calf.
They lose condition and they're not a uniform height and weight ready for bulling.
And it was very interesting to see that all our healthy heifers that had no setbacks had grown at a far higher growth rate than any animals that had had a slight setback, which had been pinged up on the smart bell.
Over time, we'll start to see how that influences dairy cow longevity, because I think it's not being unfair to say quite a number of farmers don't appreciate the impact on an animal's total life of a health issue in the early stages and needing to act promptly to cure that animal.
Having an app where you can put the weights in straight away is a really sensible idea. It saves double handling data. I think being able to then see it on graphs is going to be very useful.
We find the system very easy to use. The tags are very user-friendly. The app is nice and simple to use on our phone, and we can pick it up throughout the farm on our daily chores.
If it's in a red activity, it's severely sick, and if it's like a yellow or what, it's just beginning to get sick.
We are delighted to be a satellite farm for the Agri-EPI network.
These are real farms. We're at the coalface, and so we're able to offer that to people like the team at SmartBell.
Today, we've been delivering a new set of gateways and tags that are the direct result of the feedback and input into the system.
Showing your team and your boss how technology enhances your decision making of rearing these heifers is going to be vital. These heifers coming in should be the cream of the crop for future lactations.
If you like what you've seen about this project and want to learn more about the fantastic range of assets that Agri-EPI has available, please click on the link below.